you basically plug it in and you can make an IoT device very, very quickly.
Yeah, we call it IoT in minutes.
So it's Haim with ipXchange again. We're at the OriginGPS booth at Embedded World 2023, second day, and I'm here to talk with Haim about one of their GNSS evaluation kits. So Haim, tell me a little bit more.
This is more than the GNSS.
Okay.
It's a full IoT device. It's a full IoT system that include full cellular, Cat-M, narrowband, and fallback to 2G. We have our GNSS device here. The system itself, we built it for really low noise with high performance of the GPS. We have all the outputs for any sensor that you want to add.
Okay.
It's like I2C, UART, and GPIOs. We have a SIM card eSIM, and of course input-outputs for antennas.
Okay.
The smart thing that we done, and we call it OriginGPS Smart, is the embedded code that we add to the MCU.
Okay.
What does it mean? That if you connect sensors to the device itself, and with the batteries, of course, you can configure everything from the cloud. So if you have a board with a sensor that you are connected like a Lego, connect the battery.
Oh, is that the sensor board on top now?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And immediately you're working from the cloud, configure the sensors, and you have your own IoT ready to use. Cool. So the time to go to market is coming to be instead of 18 months and spending $500,000 to $1 million, for example, you can work with $200 and do it in 1 week.
Okay.
Of full IoT, and you can go to the market and show your idea.
Nice.
So it's really neat device and ready to use. We done everything, all the engineering for PCB, RF, high performance solutions, all the sensor on it, and of course the embedded code. You don't need to write any embedded code, and it's ready to use.
Cool.
Yes.
Trying to think of what the next question would be. That's a lot to take in already.
Yeah.
So obviously it's for IoT applications. Do you see any specific kind of sweet spot for engineers who might be working in, say, would it be sensor hubs or home automation or?
It can be used. One thing that engineers always design the same. So this is the reason we done it to very small size. So it can be implemented to personal tracking, key tracking, pet trackers, but it can also do for what we have here, precision agriculture or asset tracking.
Okay.
So everything can be done for any IoT solutions, industrial maintenance, and everything. Also, what's nice about it, that people sometimes design their own sensors. So, but they want to be their sensor to be going to move to the cloud.
Oh yes.
And so they're taking the device and put it in their system.
Okay.
And now they have a full IoT with their own sensors. So it's really very fast move from a standard solution to an IoT device with their own sensors.
Cool. So you basically plug it in and you can make an IoT device very, very quickly.
Yeah, we call it IoT in minutes.
Oh no, that's very good.
Yeah.
Cool. So, if a design engineer was looking to kind of, obviously that one is plug and play, but if they were looking to evaluate the GNSS on its own, for example?
Yeah, you can use the GNSS here. Of course, we have solutions, very small solution because we are doing very miniature GPS devices. We also have a miniature board to test the device.
Okay.
This is a GPS, very accurate GPS solution.
Okay.
What's surprising about it, and this is after we tested it, that the accuracy is getting for very low numbers. It's getting to 0.5 to 0.1 meter. So it's only 10 centimeters.
So it's very, very accurate.
Yeah, as a standalone device. So people that want to use it instead of RTK, using our devices, very accurate device, it's coming to be really amazing after our testing. Because what we are working mainly, and this is the difference between the way we are developing the device, we are working on the noises inside the device, a lot of EM simulation to bring a very high stability of our GPS.
Okay.
So those technologies we transfer it to our IoT devices.
Nice, okay.
So right now we bring a very small high performance solutions. Of course we are bringing also demos for customers. So instead of working, because it takes time to do the Lego stuff and find the battery and find connections, also we are bringing solutions that including the battery, and you can debug it from the cloud. So
it's sort of a reference design, is it?
Also, I can show you an example that we done in one exhibitions in the US. What they like?
They love baseball.
And for this exhibition, we add IoT inside, but we wanted to show how fast we can build a demo. But we didn't done only one demo. We done 6 demos in 6 weeks, including everything. One of the demos was the baseball, and it's only to show the pitch and the way the ball is moving. Okay. So we have plenty of ideas here that we done. We have a lot of customers with amazing ideas.
Nice.
But also our engineers is sometimes wants to play a little bit.
Yeah, we will do.
Yeah, you can show this one. Somebody built a padlock with environment, so you can put it on the shelters, and with our IoT brain, you move it, you operate it, also feeling the sensing of the environment, if there is radon, CO2, CO, everything, and the center is opening the padlock.
Oh, so for safety kind of.
For safety, yes.
Nice.
So it was one of the ideas of our engineers, and we built it with the 3D, and everything takes about 6 weeks, and you have a full system. And now you can go to the market.
That's very fast.
Okay.
Cool.
Do you have any idea that you want to build?
I don't know, but this is very, very interesting stuff.
Yeah.
I think that's quite a lot we've already gone over. So at the end of every interview, I like to ask, when it's a big show like this, how are you finding Embedded World, the second day, 2023?
Well, this is a really busy day.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of customer, a lot of interest. But it's the second day that we find our product very interesting to a lot of customers.
Nice.
And it's working well. It's totally continued to the Mobile World Congress. There was really amazing show. Let's see.
Cool. Well, it's been very good to talk to you, Haim. Very interesting technology. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I really enjoyed this interview because you can clearly see that Haim is very passionate about what he does. He was always up and down looking for projects to show us. To be honest, everyone at the OriginGPS booth was incredibly friendly, incredibly welcoming, so thank you. At ipXchange, we love a world's best, a world's first. Well, this is the world's smallest of its kind. As always, if you're looking to evaluate the GNSS modules, then head to ipXchange.tech or follow the link in the description.